Hey everyone, welcome back to Cook with Q. Today we're doing speed round. I'm gonna make a lovely, delicious end of summer salad, a Panzanella salad, and we're gonna do a timer because in MasterChef, it's all about speed. So I'm going for the speed round. I've got my little timer here. I'm gonna aim for under 12 minutes for this. And let's go. All right, I've got a tray here and I've got some delicious sourdough. Now what we want to do is just break this up. This is kind of stale. It's a few days old and we just want to break it up into nice, lovely, rustic chunks. You don't have to cut them because they are supposed to be rustic. Now, to all of this sourdough, we want to add a swig of olive oil. Give this a little toss around, a little bit of salt. And let's put this in the oven, 220, let's crank it. All right, I got it at 230. Let's cut some tomatoes. So I've got some lovely heirlooms. Got these from the markets. They're awesome. Some of them are from my backyard as well. So let's cut these, and again, different shapes, different sizes. We want about 1 kilo of tomatoes. And I probably got, I don't know, 4 slices of delicious sourdough. Now, this cutting doesn't have to be precise because the idea of it is that we want lovely rustic pieces. Overripe tomatoes are completely fine. And the reason is we want the juices to flow. That bread is going to soak it all up and it's going to be super tasty. I have way too many tomatoes, but I said I was going to cut them all. So that's what we're doing. Some lovely little yellow romas, mini yellow romas. They're awesome. What are we looking at? 4 minutes, far out. I am behind. Okay, so we've got all our tomatoes here. They're looking fantastic. Let's give them a good season. Be pretty generous with this. Salt will actually bring out the tomatoes' sweetness, and that's what we're after. To this, we want to add some basil. Let's pop some of this in. Got a few holes in there. Let's chop some up. Let's give this a rough chop. What are we looking at? 6.5 minutes. We are cranking it. We need to make a vinaigrette for this. Got this bowl. Want some mustard, about half a teaspoon. Got a shallot. We want to mince this or finely dice. Almost put that in the wrong bowl. Because this is going in, you want it quite fine because this is going in raw. The finer you can make it, the better it's going to be. Then scraper, lifesaver. Now, to this, we want to add some sherry vinegar or red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar. We want about 2 tablespoons. It's going to go 1, 2. Give it a little taste after. A little bit of salt, cheeky bit of pep. And we also want some garlic. Now, maybe 2 cloves, and you ask how we want this. We're eating raw garlic, so we do not want to eat a big old chunk. Got a little microplane. Let's get that in there. Please don't grate the end of your fingers. It's a bad time. There we go. Got the garlic, got the shallots, got the pepper, got the mustard. The mustard's going to help it bind now. We want to add maybe 100 mils of olive oil. Probably should have measured this, doesn't really matter. And if we've got any juice from these tomatoes, it is gonna be pretty good. So let's get some of that in there. And let's give this a good whisk up. Now, the mustard in here, I'm using Dijon, but it's actually gonna help emulsify this vinaigrette. So can you see, it's actually holding together. It's not separating, it's not split, and that's what we want. This is ready, we're gonna pour it in, give this a good toss around. What are we looking at? Shit, 12. All right, let's make it 15, but we are actually just about done. So we wanna mix this around, give it a little taste test. Fantastic, all right. We're gonna check this toast. Oh, look at them. We have our delicious croutons. You can see they're lovely and toasted. We're gonna pop them in. I'm gonna get a spoon to mix this because those are straight out of the oven. And there we go, folks. This bread's gonna sop up all that juice. And we are what? 13:35. Let's stop there. We have our delicious, tasty Panzanella salad in under 15 minutes. Fantastic. You can make this at home, even if you take 20, because I've speed run it. You can have this as a side if you're grilling some chicken, fish, anything like that. Here we go. Oh. I can hear that crunch. That's what we like, guys. Awesome. Well, that's us done for today. How good? 15 minutes, far out. Happy days.